Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will join all the components and we will add the material. So let's start it. The first thing that we're gonna do is assemble this part here, round, and this part will be doesn't move. And now we will add this and this here, here, and here. Motion, rigid, position, and okay. And now we will add the material from all these components. We press A, okay. And now we will down from here, plastic, and we will put this from here, nylon, to 3D printer. And now for from this part here, we will add the same material. And now in this part, paint glossy, and this. And technically, this would be all the video for today. And tomorrow we will do ads, designs, ads subject. If you want to do any design or any idea, you may write me below the commentaries. Or and technically, it would be all the video for today. And thank you very much. Bye bye.